Me. Nanny. Fun.
You need to flex on your family. Grab 2 eggs. That's it. We're making a silky, savory steamed egg and a sweet, wobbly custard pudding. 2 gourmet dishes, 0 effort. This is your easiest kitchen win. Let's cook. Time to check the list. It's so short, you won't believe it. Just 2 eggs, guys. We need a tiny bit of salt, about 8 grams of sugar, that's barely anything, and then we're balancing out our liquids, 70 milliliters of water and 70 milliliters of milk. Seriously, that's the whole shopping list. Let's get to work. Major shell fail, guys. See that tiny piece of shell? Everyone gets them. But here's the ultimate trick, don't chase it with a spoon. Just use a larger piece of the broken shell itself. The sharp edge acts like a little scoop and grabs the small fragment right away. It's the eggshell version of it takes a thief to catch a thief. Save this hack for next time. Okay, next critical step for the steamed egg, you gotta add your water. Grab 70 milliliters of water, it doesn't have to be exact, but close is better, and gently whisk it in. This is the magic ingredient that makes it super smooth and wobbly, not just a dense brick of egg. Keep whisking until it's all incorporated. To ensure a surface of unblemished perfection, we must eliminate any air pockets. Pass the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve. This action strains out any undispersed egg whites and, critically, removes all surface bubbles, guaranteeing a flawless, silken finish to our steamed egg. Time for a major hack. Get your kitchen foil and seal that bowl up tight. Seriously, make it look like a little alien spaceship. This is your shield against the steam drips. If those drops hit the egg, you get a nasty, lumpy texture. We want silky smooth perfection, so foil is non-negotiable. Combine the milk and sugar in your vessel. Stir gently until the mixture is entirely clear. It is crucial that the sugar is fully dissolved before we introduce the egg, guaranteeing a smooth, even texture during the final set. Last prep step before steaming. Grab a toothpick or skewer and poke a few small holes in the foil. You don't need a million, just 3 or 4 little vents. This stops the foil from ballooning up like a bouncy castle and helps the steam circulate, giving you that perfect, consistent cook.
A few moments later.
We're aiming for that silky texture. Steam your mixture over medium heat for just 7 minutes. Then, switch the heat off and let the residual steam work its magic for a final 7 minutes. This two-step method guarantees a perfectly soft and smooth finish, no spongy texture allowed. Check it out. Our steamed egg and custard pudding are perfectly, ridiculously smooth. For the savory side, I added some fresh spring onion, a drizzle of sweet soy sauce, a touch of olive oil, and sesame seeds. That's a total flavor flex. If you have more experience in the kitchen, use a bit of hot, sizzling oil instead of the olive oil. That sizzle adds a huge flavor punch and makes the dish much more delicious. You can dive into this custard pudding right now, it's amazing. But if you want to take it to the next level? That's the creme brulee flex. Sprinkle some sugar on top, then grab your culinary torch and burn it until you get that crunchy, golden caramel crust you love. It transforms into a caramel custard pudding, and trust me, it's seriously delicious. And that's the wrap. We took just 2 humble eggs and walked away with a full, gourmet, 2-course meal. We got the silky, savory steamed egg for dinner, and the crunchy, sweet caramel custard pudding for dessert. Remember, you don't need a fancy kitchen or a huge budget to cook something amazing. You just need a few hacks, 2 eggs, and the willingness to try. If you loved this kitchen flex, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next low-budget masterpiece. What should I make next with only 2 ingredients? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.